Slow down. Slow down. To go slower or reduce speed. Slow down, you're driving too fast. Slow down, you're driving too fast. Break out. Break out. Something starts suddenly and unexpectedly. She broke out in laughter during the movie. She broke out in laughter during the movie. Put down. Put down. To insult or criticize someone. He put me down in front of everyone. He put me down in front of everyone. Look out. Look out. To be careful or watchful. Look out, there is a car coming towards you. Look out, there is a car coming towards you. Run over. Run over. To hit someone or something with a vehicle. The driver didn't see the man and ran over it. The driver didn't see the man and ran over it. Hang up. Hang up. To end a phone call. He hung up the phone without saying anything. He hung up the phone without saying anything. Set up. Set up. To arrange or establish something. We set up the tent for camping. We set up the tent for camping. Bring down. Bring down. To reduce or make something lower. Please bring down the picture from the wall. Please bring down the picture from the wall. Pass away. Pass away. To die. My grandfather passed away last year. My grandfather passed away last year. Eat out. Eat out. To have a meal at a restaurant, not at home. I am tired, so let's eat out tonight. I am tired, so let's eat out tonight. Go back. Go back. To return to a place. Let's go back and find the lost keys. Let's go back and find the lost keys. Turn down. Turn down. To refuse or reject something. Don't turn down the job without thinking. Don't turn down the job without thinking. Put down. Put down. To place something on a surface. She put down her bag and looked at me. She put down her bag and looked at me. Push back. Push back. To move an object or barrier in a backward direction. He pushed back the chair to stand up. He pushed back the chair to stand up.